Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about bullet journaling, makeup panning, and nail polish. Today I have my my setup for February 2024. So let's go and flip through January and see how that looks. So this was my January cover page, and then my calendar. The color scheme for January was green and brown. So I had a light green, a dark green, and some brown. And I kind of used some scrapping of papers here and there. So the first few pages I set up on stream. And then after that, I just did the outlines and the colors. I did leave space to add additional scraps. I just didn't carry them with me when I was working. And in the future, I will be carrying them with me. But yep, over here I wrote a quote from a book I was reading and then alternated leaving spaces for things like I said. And then this is the last day so far. This is the 29th. So I have room here for the 30th and 31st, and then reflections. And then another page here for whatever. And then we're getting into February. So let's go ahead and talk about what I'm going to be using for my February setup. I have an assortment of pink and floral papers, a sticker, mainly papers, and one sticker here. Not a whole lot. I also have some tape. This is, I don't know if this is washi tape or just some decorative tape, but I have this pink, hot pink, pinkish tape. It's kind of got a shiny surface on it. And then this is some decorative masking, decorative scotch tape in a hot pink. So those two tapes. And then for pens, I'm mainly going to be working with pens and then adding a little bit of collage, but I have my Tombow 603. This is a light lavender. And then I have my highlighter. This is a Bic highlighter in pink and a Bic highlighter in blue. And I just picked up some mild liners. This is one in fuchsia. So that's my color scheme, going with pastel pinks, purples, and blues. And then for my fine lining, I have my Pigma Microns in 08 for the heavy light lines. And then for basic writing, I picked up an 03 in black. And then I also have, for my daily writing, this is going to be an 05 in red. And then I picked up this glue stick. Don't know if it works. I got the glue stick and a bunch of the mild liners in a bag from Goodwill. So without further ado, if I didn't say already, this month's theme is going to be hearts, candy hearts, and pink and Valentine-y stuff. So I sketched in my cover page and my calendar. So let's go ahead and get into working those out, and leave me any comments or suggestions down below. We have my cover page. And my calendar. I will fill in the details. I have social trackers over here for YouTube and Instagram, days of the week, some hearts, some little scraps, and my first week's setup. And the rest of the weeks will look very similar to this. So stay tuned for next month when I show you the flip through of the final project. Anyway, until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I'll see you later. Bye.